Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term ton. It's a measurement of weight commonly equivalent to 2000 pounds, short or net ton, or it could be 2240 pounds, which is long ton, or a metric ton. The short ton is generally used in domestic transaction in the US, and the long ton is used in the export trade. Specifically here we are talking about US. However, since the practices of ocean carriers are not uniform, the long ton is not always used. Countries which have adopted a metric system like India uses a ton on 2204 pounds, particularly in weighing exported cargoes. Its original use as a measurement of volume has continued in the capacity of cargo ships and in terms such as the freight ton. Recent specialized uses includes the ton as a measure of energy and for truck classification. Of course, you can see in the world there are few countries still following the imperial system, while most of the countries are following metric system. So there is some confusion, but as a logistic or supply chain professional, you should be in a position to operate in both the formats and understand the difference between kilogram or equal to pound, whether it's a short term or a long term. Thanks for watching.